Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can solve the corrupted disk error on Steam. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open the folder where Steam is installed by right clicking on its icon and then selecting open file location. And after opening the location of the Steam app on your PC, simply scroll up and search for the folder named Steam Apps. Once inside the folder, you'll see multiple different types of folders in it. Simply select the current downloading folder of the application and then rename it to anything you want and changing its name to old. And after that, close the folder and open Steam application. Simply log in with your account. Now go over to settings of Steam by clicking on Steam and then settings. A new dialog box will open up in front of you with the menu at the left side. Inside the menu of the dialog box, locate downloads, open it and select clear download cache. Once you click on it, your application will restart itself and then ask you to log in again. Simply log in with your account and see if the problem is solved or not. If it isn't, then minimize it and search for the control panel in the search bar of Start menu. Open the control panel and change its layout to large icon from the top right corner. Now from the list of all tools, select Power Options and open it. And change the settings of whichever plan you are already selected. To access its settings, simply click on Change Plan Settings and then change Advanced Power Settings. Inside the settings, under Hard Disk tab, change the timer of both options to 0 and just save it. Now close the control panel and open Steam again. Inside the Steam application, select Steam and then Settings. But this time inside the Downloads tab and select the Steam Library folder. A new dialog box will appear containing all of the storage information of your PC hard drive. Here, just select the three dots at the right side and select Repair folder. Once you click on it, the repairing will start. The time it takes will totally depend on the storage capacity. Once the repairing is completed, the problem will hopefully get solved as it did for me. And that's how you can solve the corrupted disk error on Steam. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.